our next problem is the perimeter of a school volleyball court is 177 feet and the length is twice the width. So what are the dimensions of volleyball court? So one volleyball court is there. So for that they have given, they told about length is twice the width. Length and width is nothing but breadth value. So they have given the information about length, but they didn't give any information about width. So that is breadth value. So breadth value we will take it as x, and length is what here? Length is twice of width. Twice of width is nothing but width value is x, means twice of width is 2x. So and what they have given? They have given the perimeter value as 177. So by using this information we have to find the length value and breadth value. So what they have given here? Given perimeter of volleyball court. That volleyball court is in the form of rectangle. Court is how much? 177 feet, and breadth value, they didn't give any information about breadth. Breadth is nothing but width value. So I am taking it as x, and the length value they told that is twice of its width. Twice of its width means 2 times of width value. This width value is x, that is 2 into x is 2x. Now by using this information we have to find the length value and breadth value. So what is length value here? Already perimeter of a volleyball court. Volleyball court is in the form of rectangle. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle formula? Perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. So here perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. So already they have given perimeter value as 177 feet. So 177 feet is equals to 2 into length value is 2x plus breadth value is x. Now 177 is equals to 2 into 2x plus x will be 3x. Now 177 is equals to 2 3s are 6x. Now you send this 6 to other side, that will be converted into division. So x is equals to 177 by 6. Now we have to find the do division here, how much we will get. So 177 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12. 5 will be remaining 7. 6 9s are 54. 3 will be remaining 0.0. 6 5s are 30. So how much you got here? You got the remainder value as 0. And what is the value here? If you divide 177 with 6, the value is how much? 29.5 feet. So this is what x value. X is nothing but width value. So we got the width value as 29.5 feet. So therefore width is how much? 29.5 feet. Now what we have to find? We have to find the length value. So what is length here? 2x. So length is equals to 2x. In this 2 is a constant value. X value we got it as 29.5. Now we multiply this. 2 5s are 10. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Again 1 9. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So what you got here? 59 feet. So therefore the length value you got it as 59 feet. So how much is this? Length is 59 you got, and width value is 29.5 feet. So once again you see they have given the perimeter of a volleyball court. This volleyball court is in the form of rectangular shape. So this perimeter is 177 feet, and breadth value we are taking it as x because we didn't give any information about that, and length value is how much? Twice of its width, that is 2 into x will be equals to 2x. Now we have to find the perimeter of a equals to 2 as it is. Length value is 2x, breadth value is x. Now 177 is equals to 2 into 2x plus 3x will be equals to 3x. Now 2 3s are 6x. Now send the 6 to other side. X is equals to 177 by 6. So if you divide this 177 by 6, you got the result as 29.5 feet. So x is nothing but width value, that is breadth value. So width you got it as 29.5 feet. Now we have to find the length value. What is length? Twice of its width. That is 2. X value is 29.5. Multiply this 2. So how much you got here? How much value you got here? That is 59.0 feet. 59.0 is nothing but only 59. So length value you got as 59 and breadth value you got as 29.5 feet. Now last problem in this. The sum of pages, page numbers on the facing pages of a book is 373. And what are the page numbers? You have to find the page numbers there. Already you know how the page numbers will be there. So, what you will take here? First page number we will take it as x, and second page number we will take in the form of x plus 1. So, here 7 the solution. First page number I am taking it as x, and second page number I am taking it in the form of x plus 1. And if you add this x and x plus 1, if you add the page numbers of these two, how much they got? That is 373. So total sum of first and second page numbers. How much they got? That is 373. Sum is nothing but addition. So add these two values. X plus 1 is equals to 373. X plus x is how much? 2x plus 1 is equals to 373. Send this plus 1 to other side. That will be transposed and it will become minus 1. So 2x is equals to 373 minus 1. So subtract this one. 2x is equals to 372. Now send this 2 to other side. That will be in the form of multiplication. It will be converted into division. So x is equals to 372 by 2. Divide this one. 2 1s are 2. 1 will be remaining. 2 8s are 16. 1 will be remaining. 2 6s are 12. So what is the first page number there? The first page number is 186. So x is nothing but first page. Therefore, first page number is 186. Now what we have to find? We have to find the second page number also here. So what is the second page number here? Second page number is how much we have taken in the form of x plus 1. So x means 186 plus 1, that will be equals to 187. So first page number is 186 and the second page number is 187. Now next exercise. Solving the following equations. So that they have given some equations, we have to find the x values there. So first one is 7x minus 5 is equals to 2x. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the x value. So, I am sending this 2 to other side and minus 1 I am sending this side. So, first side and minus 5 I am sending to other side. That means all the x values, all the variables I am sending to one side and all the constant numbers I am sending to other side. So 7x, if I transpose this plus 2x, it will be converted into minus 2x is equals to, if I transpose this minus 5 to other side, it will be converted into plus 5. So 7x minus 2x will be 5x and here equals to 5. So x is equals to how much you got now? 5 by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. X value is how much? 1. Second one. 5x minus 12 is equals to 2x minus 6. In the same way, all the variables you send to other one side and all the constant values you send to other side. So I am sending this 2x to this side and minus 12 I am sending to right side. So given 5x minus 12 is equals to 2x minus 6. I am transposing this 2x to LHS part, that is 5x minus 2x because this is a plus 2x. If you transpose plus 2x to other side, that will be in the form of minus 2x is equals to minus 6. I am sending this minus 12 to other side, that will be plus 12. So 5 minus 2 is 3, that is 3x is equals to minus into plus is minus 12 minus 6. Bigger number sign is plus. So x is equals to 6 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So what is the x value you got it as? You got the x value as 2. Next third one. 7p minus 3 is equals to 3p plus 8. So given 7p minus 3 is equals to 3p plus 8. In the same way how we did the before problem, send all the variables to one side, all the constants to one side. So transpose this 3p to LHS part, that will be minus 3p, and transpose this minus 3 to RHS part, that will be plus 3. So 7p, 3p if you transpose, that will be minus 3p is equals to 8. If you transpose this minus 3 to other side, that will be plus, that is plus 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 4p is equals to 8 plus 3 is 11. Transpose this 4 to other side. P is equals to 11 by 4. So you got the P value as 11 by 4. Fourth one. 8m plus 9 is equals to 7m plus 8. Transpose is plus 7m to this side and plus 9 to other side. So it is 8m plus 7m. If you transpose to other side, that will be minus 7m is equals to 8. If you transpose this plus 9 to other side, that will be minus 9. So 8 minus 7 is how much? 8 minus 7 will be 1, that is 1m, or m you can write here is equals to 8 minus 9 will be minus 1. So what is the m value? What it as? Minus 1. Fifth, 7z plus 13 is equals to 2z plus 4. Seven z plus 13 is equals to 2z plus 4. Bring all the variables one side and all the constants to other side. So 7z plus 2z, if you transpose, that will be minus 2z is equals to 4 plus 13, if you transpose, that will be minus 13. So 7 minus 2 is 5z, and here plus into minus is minus. 13 minus 4 will be 9. Bigger number sign is minus. So z is equals to minus 9 by 5. Next one. 9y plus 5 is equals to 15y minus 1. So bring all the variables one side and constant values to other side. Transpose is plus 15 to this side and plus 5 to other side. 9y minus 15y is equals to minus 1 minus 5. So plus into minus is minus. 15 minus 9 is 6. Bigger number sign is minus. Minus 1 minus 5. Minus into minus is plus. 5 plus 1 is 6. Bigger number sign is minus. Minus minus will get cancelled. Y is equals to 6 by 6. 6 ones are 6 ones are. So y value we got it as 1. Next one. That is 3x plus 4 is equals to 5 into x minus 2. So first we have to multiply these two terms. Three x plus 4 is equals to 5 into x minus 2. First multiply this. 5 into x is 5x minus 5 2s are 10. Now this has been converted into this form as it is before problems. Now bring all the variables one side and take all the constant values to other side. So 3x, this plus 5x, if you transpose, that will be minus 5x is equals to minus 10 plus 4, if you transpose, that will be minus 4. So 3 minus 5, this plus 3 minus 5 will be equals to minus 2, plus into minus minus, 5 minus 3 is 2, bigger number sign is minus, that is minus 2x is equals to minus 10 minus 4 will be equals to minus 14. Minus into minus plus, 10 plus 4 is 14. Bigger number sign is minus, so minus 14. So minus minus will get cancelled. Send this 2 to other side, that is in the form of multiplication. So if you transpose, that will be converted into division. That is 14 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. So x value is how much here? 7. Into t minus 4 is equals to 5 into 2t minus 1. So in the same way how you multiply these terms, here also we have to multiply first. Given 3 into t minus 4 is equals to 5 into 2t minus 1. First multiply the terms here. 3 into 2 will be 3t. 3 into t will be equals to 3t, minus 3 4s are 12 is equals to 5 2s are 10t minus 5 1s are 5. Now set all the variables one side and all the constant values to other side. So 3t minus 10t is equals to, if you transpose this plus 10 to other side, it will Now minus 5. If you transpose this minus 12 to other side, that will be plus 12. So plus into minus minus. 10 minus 3 is 7. That is minus 70. Bigger number sign is minus. So minus 70 is equals to minus into plus is minus. 12 minus 5 will be 7. Bigger number sign is plus. So t is equals to transpose is minus 7. That is the form of